was kind of paralleling my own life. Na alam ko single ako, but also like traipsing New York this year, or at this age. Sabi ko, oh my God. Na-visualize ko si Miss Lloyd na parang during 1970s, siya na yung original Carrie of Sex and the City.
Oh, yes.
Kwento mo to us a little bit. How was yung panahon na yon? How did you enjoy
the
New York
city
City in the 1970s with Mr. Lewis?
Gallivanting New York City.
Yes. It was all experience for me because, when I met him, we were both lawyers, so non-stop talking. And hindi ko alam na the second time he invited me that when you go to his apartment, iba nang ibig sabihin nun.
Ayaw daw ni Lord yun, ha?
Oo, ayaw ni Lord yun. Okay.
Madre, di ba? So, my God, nung he started becoming intimate, nasagot naman ako. Mamaya, eto na, kinakarga na ako sa bed niya.
Very Carrie, di ba?
Yes! Tapos Miss Lloyd, ha?
No. So, siyempre, lahat.
Dalagang Pilipina.
Ano naman siya? He because he's a gentleman, he stopped. Pero, naku, Diyos ko, galit na galit ako dahil sa, wow, dito pala yung tinatawag na date rape. So, but he's
yes.
Okay, so, he brought me home, wala akong imik na, so, kaya nga, sinulatan ko siya. Thank you very much. I had a wonderful time, but I will not have any intimate relations with a man other than my future husband. Goodbye. I will have fond memories.
Goodbye agad.
Goodbye. Aba, 1 week later, bumalik sa akin, tinawagan ako. Sabi ko, naku, hindi nakuha yung sulat ko. Okay, labas ulit kami. So, we had another nice time. Pagbalik ko nasa hotel, sabi ko, I wrote you a letter. Yes, you did. What? You received it? Yes, I did. I told you don't call me again. Loida, I will not do anything you don't want me to do. Patay.
Tama nga, pumayag ka, di ba?
Tama siya.
Magaling si Mr. Lewis, eh.
Galing ni Mr.
Semantics.
Yes.
My, because of that, doon ka na in love.
Doon ako na in love in the sense na alam niya kung paano, tama eh. I will not do anything. So he will not do anything na hindi ko gusto. Okay?
And Mr. Lewis was your first boyfriend?
First boyfriend, yes.